Hey guys, Brad coming at you here with, yes, a 2-box break of Immaculate football. I told you I was saving up for some. I joined a couple breaks. I just wanted to see it first before I actually bought the boxes. And it looked pretty good. So it's about a 50-50. Half the boxes are good. So hopefully it works out. But yeah, the couple breaks I joined, I didn't hit really much of anything. I think I hit a nice Zonka patch. I bought it the Dolphins in a break, and then I had like the Saints in another one, didn't hit anything. So we'll see here. 2-box break. Products look pretty good, so we'll see if pull at least something nasty out of it. Comes in little tins. I'm sure you guys have seen it by now. Hopefully we dodge the Taj Boyd, Ozza Watson, Michael Sam, and points cards. Those are pretty much the only 4 things I don't want to hit. So let's see here. Okay. First up, base card number 99, Mr. Cecil Shorts. It's a little base design there. Oh, nice. 2-color jumbo patch numbered 1 out of 20. A.J. McCarron. What up, big fish? A.J. McCarron. Slick Willie, 420. What's up? A.J. McCarron. Oh, nice. Another jumbo patch. Numbered 33 out of 50. Khalil Mack. Not bad. 33 out of 50. Oh, man, I wish this was patch. Number 3 out of 49, just jumbo jersey of Odell Beckham. That would have been nice if that was a patch. Little Odell Beckham. Not bad. And, oh, this is a nice one. Number 3 out of 99, rookie patch autograph, on card, Brandon Cooks. Hey, where were you in the Saints break I was in? Brandon Cooks, it won't focus on the autograph. What is going on here? But Brandon Cooks. Bam. Nice little Brandon Cooks. 3-color patch autograph. That's a nice card. And, oh, this is nasty. Wish it was a little better player, but gosh, this is nasty. 21 of 49 premium patches. This has got all kinds of stuff in it. What up? Good call, 6. Josh Johnson, 55. We got a little Dougie Martin. Why won't this thing focus? It doesn't like the white part. Look at that patch, though. That's nasty. Look at that. Dougie Fresh. Hopefully he comes back healthy next season. That's a sick card. Dougie Fresh. So, yeah. Not a horrible box. Couple pretty nice cards in there. Got one more to go here. Oh, boom. Okay. Let's hope there's a nasty vet in this one or something. like a Marino. Oh, I'd poop myself if I had a Marino. Peyton. Somebody like that. Aaron Rodgers, Emmitt Smith, Troy Aikmans. Those kind of guys. Let's see here. Good base, 40 of 99, A.J. Green. I'm sorry about the pick. I don't really know where the light's actually coming from, even. I don't know. I'm sorry. I'm still enjoying it. Oh, nice. Got jumbo patch again. These are nasty. 31 of 50, Kadeem Carey. Bears player 23, what up? Kadeem Carey action. A nice jersey card of Connor Shaw. Oh, maybe that's the right quarterback to get. Who knows? Connor Shaw, just jersey card. Dude, there better be something monstrous in this box. This ain't off to a good start. Oh, shame. One color patch, and I like these cards too. The acetate patches, but it's one color of Warwick Dunn. It's the acetate, number to their jersey number. Nice, work done. And, oh, nice, the patch autograph number to the jersey number acetate. 11 of 14, Cody Latimer. All right, this next card better be sick. I haven't looked at it yet. But that was an average box to this point. Oh, my God. I knew it. I knew it had to be sick. Immaculate Moments. I think there's only like 5 cards in this set. Immaculate Moments. Emmitt Smith breaking all-time rushing record. 8 of 25. Emmitt Smith. Autograph. Now that's a nice card. That made up for the box there. I knew there had to be something monstrous in it. Emmitt Smith, 8 of 25, Immaculate Moments. This is when he broke the rushing record. In the fourth quarter of Week 8 against Seattle in 2002, Smith took a run 11 yards off left guard, stumbling and stretching past Walter Payton's all-time rushing record of 17,726. In fitting fashion, the NFL's rushing touchdown leader capped the drive with a 1-yard score. Immaculate Moments, Emmitt Smith. What up, GAWH? My man, little Emmitt Smith. Well, yeah, that's a pretty big card. That's pretty awesome. All in all, I definitely didn't get screwed over. So, all in all, one big card, a couple other solid stuff. So, yeah, all in all, not too bad. Sick Emmitt Smith. So, yeah, guys, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it.